to record. Now I'm recording. So, candidates, today we started with discussion about balance sheet. What is balance sheet? Then we started discussing about the definition of mutual fund. Because whether you like it or not, this type of question will be there in for MCOM students, not for everybody. Then information about credit rating agency. Information about credit rating agencies. If they ask openly like this, all of us know the names of agencies. We must be able to tell. I think Nisha, please read this list of credit rating agencies in India. Please read.
Okay, sir. The list of credit rating agencies.
I'm sorry, that has gone and this one has come. Doesn't matter. Read this list of credit rating agencies.
The list of credit rating agencies in India. First is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, CRISIL,
This
and
is this is very famous. CRISIL. Then
yes, sir. Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited, ICRA, and third one is Credit Analysis and Research, CARE, and ONIDA, Individual Credit Rating Agency of India, and FICT India,
next one
and
not required. This has been removed because their ratings were not good. In fact, this company was started by Canara Bank, but still it was not considered good, so it has been banned. So next one is SME Rating Agency of India, SMERA. I would request you to remember CRISIL and also ICRA. CRISIL and also ICRA. Nisha, please read this. While Indian credit rating agencies,
okay. While Indian credit rating agencies evaluate the safety or risk of investment options offered by companies or institutes, credit information companies in India, commonly referred to as Credit Information Bureau, generate credit scores and reports related to borrowers in the country. The latter evaluate borrowers' credit worthiness and debt repayment ability to help lenders assess risk better, while the former rate on an organization's offers to help investors. The difference between these institutes lie in their meaning and functions. Here is what you need to know, as both are important in terms of your finance when it comes to applying for an instant personal loan and when it comes to make an investment.
next one, Vedavalli, Rogita Lakshmi. Please read credit rating agencies. Please read.
Yes, sir. A credit rating agency rates various entities as borrowers based on their repayment ability using a range of metrics and factors. These entities exclude individuals, and the ratings take the form of letters such as AAA, CCC, and so on. Since the amount borrowed by organizations can run into lakhs and crores, those who invest in or lend to these organizations face a comparatively higher risk. Thus, with these credit ratings, investors or lenders can make better decisions regarding organizational borrowers who may be state governments, local government bodies, companies, special purpose entities, non-profit organizations.
Now, please read. Here are the common functions.
Here are the common functions of credit rating agencies in India. Credit rating agencies rate entities based on their ability to repay a loan or service their debt. Credit rating agencies rate financial products offered by financial institutions such as banks, public companies, NBFCs, microfinance institutions, and mutual fund companies. They rate debt instruments and short-term investment instruments such as fixed deposits, bank loans, bonds, and hybrid capital instruments. Also, credit rating agencies approve credit ratings of investments help investors in making informed decisions. Credit rating agencies research the economy as a whole, including industries and companies, and offer valuable analysis to their members. Credit rating agencies offer risk solutions and fund evaluation services to the mutual fund industry. Also, CRAs provide policy and regulatory advice to the leading organizations and the government.
That will do. And after that, you need to know it is offered as a 3-digit number. Normally, a score of 650 and above. 700 above is good. 650 and above will be a good score. And CIBIL score range normally goes from 300 to 900. So anywhere you can say above 650 score is ideal for being considered for financing. Thank you. Now we will go for the next question. What is plastic money? Who can answer me this question? What is plastic money? I think we have discussed this question earlier. Who can answer this? Please raise your hand. What is plastic money? Excuse me. Those who want to say, please raise your hand. Those who want to tell the answer, please raise your hand. Nobody. The answer is plastic money means debit cards and credit cards and prepaid cards, because they can be used in the place of money. There is no need for money. You can use a debit card or a credit card. Understand? That's what plastic money. Now, why NPA is increasing? This question may not come now because government and Reserve Bank has been telling that NPA has been coming down in the recent past, and all banks are making profit like that, they are telling. And so let us not worry about this question. Next question, who can answer me what is a demat account? How will you answer briefly? What is a demat account? Nobody can answer this. What happened? Someone, Abhishek Sharma, can you answer? Nisha is raising. Nisha, please tell.
Yes, sir. Demat account stands for dematerialized account, in which we do trading of the stocks on online platform. Doing the trading of stock is done in demat account. If we want to purchase or sale of stock from the stock market, so we can use demat account.
Excellent. In other words, finally you conclude and say demat account is an account where the shares are held in electronic form. That will do. Nisha, you are appearing for Federal Bank or State Bank?
Sir, I am appearing for Federal Bank.
Good, very good. Now, anybody is appearing for State Bank here? What is the old name of SBI? Anybody is appearing for SBI? No. All are Federal Bank boys only? Okay. The answer is Imperial Bank of India. Imperial Bank of India. Then what is deficit financing? Anybody, any commerce student can answer this. What is deficit financing? Who will read this? Abhishek Sharma. Please read this. Deficit financing. Abhishek, but I think he cannot read because for him there is no mic. Then we will ask Samson. Can you read? Samsung SMA. Can you read, please? SMA some.
Sir, my name is Gopika. But the name appearing
Acha,
in Zoom meeting is
no,
like
no,
that.
no problem. Let it be like this. Absolutely no problem.
Okay.
Gopika is a new student. She has joined only today, correct?
Yes, sir.
And she is appearing for Federal Bank.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you are doing MSc in which MTech in
M.Tech in
power
Power Electronics.
power electronics, right?
Yes.
And you are appearing. Your interview is on 23rd.
Yeah, 23rd, sir.
See, for such people only I have arranged this class. See,
Mm.
actually, be ready. I think I must have told you today more evening when I was talking over phone. Not sure. Otherwise, let me tell you. I think I have already told about this one. That is, here it is not there. It must be there in the folder I have given you. A 2023 interview folder. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir. In that bankers had one booklet is there, right?
That is
Yeah.
also, I
Yeah.
wanted you to say. From that
I
booklet
want, yeah.
only, from that booklet only I was reading now. And
Yeah.
this is a booklet, question paper file I have given, and mostly your questions will be asked from this. And what is your name? Gopika.
Gopika.
You new students must be familiar with this. Arey Baba, this is giving old details. This is giving old details.
Okay.
I have given another one wherein I must give only new details. I don't know why it is giving old details. Mm, All this is old details. Oh, it's a mistake. 1 minute. Some mistake in
Okay, sir.
this. I have to give you figure as on 31/12/2023. 31/12/2023, and that I think it has been given in our Federal Bank folder. When you opened today, did you get this September figure or December figure?
I got this one, sir.
You didn't understand what it is. You would not have understood what it
I
is.
think,
Yeah. Now this one, you see, this is the material I have given you. In
yes.
here, there is one material known as press report. MNOP, press release.
Release.
Press release, that is figure as on 31 12
Okay.
2023.
Okay, sir.
One minute. I will just copy this and post it in our this page. In that page, this only should appear. I don't know why this one is appearing. I don't know. I am very sorry. 1 minute. See, this is having 19/1/2024 only. Whereas, after that, lot of changes have happened. Yeah.
Okay.
Now 1 minute. I will give this one. This is what we are going to see.
Okay.
1 minute. The key highlights. Yeah. Gopika, please read this. Federal Bank announced.
Federal Bank announced the financial results for the quarter ended 31st December 2023. The key highlights of the results on a YOY basis are as
Why
follows.
YOY means year
Uh,
on year. That is,
Year, okay.
as on 31st December 2022 to 2023 now, or reverse. 2023 December to 2022 December. Okay, read.
Okay, sir.
Acha,
Total business.
1 minute. Here I have to do some corrections. Otherwise, you can't be remembering this big figure, 4.39 lakh crore. Okay, then,
Okay.
yeah, please read. And
Total business of the
mm,
bank reached rupees 4.39 lakh crores. Net profit highest ever at rupees 1,006.74 crore.
mm,
Uh,
operating
Operating profit at rupees 1,437.33 crores.
mm,
ROA for Q3 stood at 1.39% and ROE stood at 14.80%.
mm.
GNPA and NNPA at 2.29% and 0.64% respectively. Total deposits increased by 18.96%.
This also
Total
is not required. Total net advances.
Total net advances increased by 18.44%, highest ever.
1 minute. Even this, we don't require how much it has increased, but what we need is the figure, final figure. Here they have given it. The total advances is 1.99 lakh crore. Total advances is rupees 1.99 lakh crore. So if you remember that, that will be good. And
Okay.
deposits, I will tell you. Deposits stood at 2 lakh crore, 2.01. That is not required. That means how much? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, லட்சம். So 2 lakh will do. So total deposits rupees 2 lakh crore. You must remember this. Apart from this, this is important. Federal Bank share price as on today, no stock. Acha, 19 only, correct only. No, but it is not correct. 19.0. Yeah, I think it is correct only. 19 point, because there was no stock exchange on 20th and 21st. So this figure is correct. So please read from here. Federal Bank share price.
Federal Bank share price as on 19 January 2024 is rupees 146.75. Market capitalization is rupees 356.80 billion. Tangible net worth rupees 28080 crore.
28,000.
28,080 crore. Share capital is rupees 484 crores. CRAR is 15.02%. Capital risk weighted asset ratio.
So this is very, very important. All new candidates must familiarize themselves with this. This will be useful because they will ask you a question. What do you know about the Federal Bank? In that case, what you have to tell, Federal Bank was started in the year 1931. And the founder of the bank is Mr. K.P. or Miss. The present managing director is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. The bank has 1.66 crore customers. Bank has 1,348 banking outlets, then 1,350 something ATMs, and 500 or so recyclers. You see the correct figures from the website. After telling that, you should tell about, say, the awards that the bank has received, and the corporate social responsibility. You can simply say uh, uh, Federal Bank spends corporate social responsibility amounts on giving buses to schools and colleges, and also say for giving cancer assistance for patients with cancer disease. And also one more thing, they give KP Orbis Foundation scholarship. Then they also help by giving funds for the hospitals. Something like that you should tell confidently. In Federal Bank interview, now what is more important is only confidence and confidence. So please go through some of the videos where I would have told about preparation, where I would have discussed about the type of questions that are normally asked. Um, Gopika is new. Nisha also must be not very old. Abhishek is also new. So the questions will be asked. You can write down in your notebook or again replay this video. I will be able to post it by tomorrow morning. See, the questions will be asked. Number one, about yourself. That means about your educational qualification, then about your strengths, about your weaknesses, about your achievements. Questions will be there about your native place. Under native place, they can ask what is the name of the native place, what are the important functions or work of the people there. Are there any industries present in that native place? Who is MLA, who is MP, like that the questions can be asked about native place. Then about your degree, very rarely they will ask questions 100% related to your degree because they don't have time. They will simply find out by asking questions. You are doing power electronics. What did you study in power electronics? And what are the recent innovations or improvements in power electronics? What are the companies that are there in power electronics in India? And after doing all this, why do you want to come to Federal Bank? You can tell them that I am interested in coming to Federal Bank because there are no sufficient job opportunities in my field. And
Okay.
banking offers good career scope. Federal Bank's growth is also good. Federal Bank's career is considered a good one because it has earned awards. So I want to join Federal Bank. You will tell like that. After which they will ask you, do you know what is a bank? What are the functions of banks? What are the ancillary functions of banks? Then what are the ways by which banks are earning income? Then they will also ask you, say, what are different type of deposits like SB account, current account, fixed deposit, RD account, demat account. Then they will ask you what are the different types of loans, what are the different types of digital products. All these things are available in the website. We should go through that and get to know about it. So generally questions will go like this only. And after that, if they ask a question, what do you know about Federal Bank? After completing those points, you can tell some of the points that you read now here,
Okay.
like total business how much, total deposit how much, total advances how much, total profit how much. These things you can speak to them. They will feel happy. So
Okay.
that is why you have to go through. And regarding other questions and all, these are all available here. Please go through and prepare. And you can also join from in the WhatsApp group you have already joined. You can make small groups among Federal Bank candidates for discussing about some of the questions and how they can be answered. Here, in this case, only practice is more important. So this is what I would like to tell for all the newcomers. So you have to
Okay.
believe me, I was traveling from Chennai to Bangalore. Yesterday, minimum 5 people joined. Today, about 4 people joined. All newcomers. Normally, I never used to get this much, but now this is more because Federal Bank interview is coming closely, and I request you to go through the videos I have posted, say on 19, 18, 17, 16, and 15 about Federal Bank and about State Bank. Please go through them, listen to them, take down notes. So these are the points I would like to tell you. Now, if you have any doubts or questions, you can ask me. Yes, please.
Sir, regarding education qualifications, should we describe about our 10th and 12th
That,
qualification? Is it just
earlier, earlier I was asking people to tell about it, but nowadays the time available is very little. So it
okay?
is sufficient. You tell about your degree and post graduation. Post graduation first, then graduation.
Okay, sir. Sir, and also, will they ask about the SLR, repo rate and all,
Yeah, yeah.
Nifty?
They can ask. Yeah, yeah. They will ask.
Uh,
I have already told in many videos. So please go through that. And what is your name? Gopika. Have I given you
okay.
time for interview?
Sir, tomorrow evening 5.
30, 5:30 or 5?
You put 5:30, like that.
Your number is 6370.
70680.
70. No, no. I will give you 6 o'clock time.
Okay, sir.
70680. Correct?
Yes.
I have noted it, and I will note the other numbers. So you remember that. And the next your interview is on 23rd itself. Correct?
23rd. 23rd.
Babre. How will
Mm.
you do it then?
Mhm.
Acha, I told you I will talk to you in the car while
Yeah.
returning in the car tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So you please read as much as possible about the questions that have been asked, and whatever you can speak confidently, you can share
Okay.
to me through
Mm.
phone tomorrow morning.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can call me by about we are leaving from this place around 6:30. So we will be on the way. I think you have college tomorrow. No,
No.
I think you need some time for studying also. You please study and then call me by 10 a.m.
10. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have also joined today, and this is my first. So you have not allotted a mock interview schedule to
Acha,
me.
what is the date of your interview?
So it's 25.
25 means we can relax to some extent. That study is not there for you. So what I can do, if at all you want interview tomorrow itself, mm, tomorrow 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m. Oh, there is one slot at 4:30 p.m. Are you free at 4:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll make it 4:30 p.m. What is the number, please?
So last digit,
No, no, first 5 digits.
83839
Last number.
52.
Okay, done. Thank you. You please remember your time is 4:30 p.m.
Okay,
Unless I am very, very tired because I am going from in a car from here.
no
Unless I
problem,
feel,
sir.
if I am tired, I will put it in the Federal Bank group itself. No interviews like that. I will cancel it. Otherwise, the
Okay,
classes will be there. So you please take that one as 22nd. Next one, you can take it on 24th. Correct?
sir. Okay, sir.
or you want it on 23rd itself?
Uh, okay, sir, 23rd in evening only because I have college in 23rd.
Acha, will you, at what time you will be free in the evening?
Sir, around after 5 p.m., sir.
Shall I mark it 5:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to make it up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your number is 83839, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I have noted for you.
Okay.
Then Gopika also I have noted. What about our Abhishek Sharma? Abhishek Sharma, when did you join us? And you are going for GD or interview?
Sir, I am not
Abhishek,
able. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Abhishek, you are not audible. Speak loudly.
Hello, sir. Am I audible now?
Thoda say okay, but tell me, you have come for a GD or interview?
Sir, I have come for interview only, sir.
Which date is your interview?
Sir, it's scheduled on 25th Jan.
Your sound system appears to be very bad. The sound is not at all coming. Are you using my earphone or are you using directly phone?
Sir, I am using directly phone, sir.
But why keep the mic near your mouth and speak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
Is it
even
okay
then
now?
it's not good. It is not good, but you can't do anything. It's okay, it doesn't matter. So this is what it is available for you. So 25th is your interview. So I will
Yes, sir.
allot 6 p.m. for you on 23rd.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And what is
Sir, what
the,
about tomorrow?
wait a minute. 23rd, 6 p.m. What is your number?
Sir, my number is 8910
Okay.
726056.
72.
6056.
Okay. I have noted it. That is one is on 23rd for you. Another one 6:30 p.m. on 24th.
Sir,
Not
I
on,
think you have
not
allotted
on,
me tomorrow.
Acha, I have already allotted
Yes, sir. Tomorrow you have allotted me 4 p.m.
4.
4 p.m.
Correct. Okay, you come by
Sir,
that. No problem.
okay, sir. Is it confirmed now, sir?
No, it is okay. If I am
Okay, okay.
if I am physically strong, I will take it at 4 p.m. tomorrow. It depends. If I am
Okay, sir.
very weak, I
Inform
will
us
tell
in
you.
group.
Pardon?
Sir, please inform us before.
Yeah. I will post it. See, the best source before coming for interview is to verify from our WhatsApp group. Even now, I
Yes,
arranged for this class at short notice, and only three of you have come. Others have not come. So what can we do? Nothing. So the only thing is, I will inform about any. I will not be advising independently, separately. I will post in the
okay, sir.
only. So this is what it is. Thank you so much. Today you have come and you have gained enough by knowing what type of questions will be asked. And of course, I have not given the answers. You have to read and prepare yourself and
Yes,
see
sir.
that you come out successful. In Federal Bank, what is required is clarity of expression in English. That's all, with the correct answers. You must know the names of union ministers, names of your state ministers, 28 states names, capitals. Then if you are in North India, North Indian states, chief ministers, capital, then governor. If you are in South India, South Indian states, capital, chief minister, governor. These things and all you must know.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And if anything important is happening in your state about that, and now all of you, please get to know about Ayodhya issue, Israel issue. Please be ready, but search in Google, you will get it. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.